Hello everyone, today I would like to discuss about the random variables. So the focus of this study is aimed to determine whether the stock price and the return of Apple company is log normal distribution or not. So the daily stock price of Apple company from the period 6 November to 4 December were collected from Yahoo Finance. So the problem statement of this study is: what is the specific random variable of daily Apple company stock price, its distribution, and the movements from the period 6 November to 4 December 2017. And this is the objective for this research. First, to find the random variables of daily Apple company stock price, its distribution, and second, to find the value of movements of the distribution based on the research, and lastly, to find the relationship between the distribution and movements. And this is the result and discussion for the stock price, and this is the daily graph of daily stock price for Apple company from 6 November to 4 December, and the mean for this stock price is 172.745, and the variance is 4.78, and the standard deviation is 2.18. So from graph 1, we can the stock price are plotted to left to right across the x-axis, with the most recent point being the furthest to right. And this graph shows that the price fluctuates across the time. So since the variance has low volatility, so the standard low volatility, so the stock price of has low volatility. And this is the rate of return, and to the formula was this formula RT equals to ln PT over PT minus 1 is used to determine the rate of returns per day. So the expected return is 0.069, and the variance is 0.189, and finally the volatility of the rate of return is 0.43. So from the graph, the rate of return is the gain or loss on an investment over specified time period. So since the expected return is 0.069, which determine the Apple company as positive average net income, and the volatility is the degree of variance of a trading price series over time as measured by standard deviation of logarithm returns. So the Apple company experienced period of low volatility, which is 0.435 to 18, and this is the probability density function of returns. From the graph 3, we can see the stock price is log normal distributed by using mean and frequency. So a histogram is plotted to analyze the distribution. A histogram sorts the data into specified number of bins, which is this one, and plots the counts of observation failing, which is the frequency, in each bin. So from the bin and frequency, a log normal distribution is plotted. Log normal distribution is a probability distribution with a normally distributed logarithm. So a random variable is log normal distributed if its logarithm is normally distributed. So from the graph we can see the graph is positively skewed, and it is the log normal distribution. So this is the and this is the log normal distributions formula. It shows the density of log normal distribution with parameter 0 and 1 and 1. So from the graph we have calculated the skewness. Sample skewness is used to measure the lack of symmetry, and deviations from 0 indicates the data is spread more to the left to right than in a normal distribution. And kurtosis is calculated and measured of how peak the distribution is and how fat the tail is. So the skewness of Apple company is 4.455 and the kurtosis is 19.891. So the conclusion is the standard log normal distribution as a location parameter of 0 and a scale of parameter 1, and then the graph represents probability density. So the movements are, the first movement is the 0, which is the mean, 0.069. The second movement is the variance, and this is the value of it. And the third movement of the distribution is skewness, 4.4455, which is positive skewness. And the fourth central movement is the kurtosis, which is 19.89. And this is the research of this study. Thank you.